Remove all traces of material from syringe by flushing thoroughly with a hot water detergent mix. Rinse thoroughly with clean, warm water. You can also suck warm water into the barrel by using an attachment bottle with warm water. It is recommended that the ECO-MATIC and a supply of needles or nozzles be disinfected before and after each use. Suspend the complete ECO-MATIC, including needles or nozzles, in a container of water and boil for up to 20 minutes. Ideally, the cylinder will be disassembled from the handle and the syringe will be boiled in a disassembled condition. Remove the ECO-MATIC from container and let it dry. Lubricate the O-ring with 100% pure oil, cold squeezed or equivalent vegetable oil. Reassemble the syringe.